Hey foodies, in this video we'll be seeing the recipe for the mango bread caramel pudding. This is super delicious, loaded with mango flavor and just melts in your mouth. Look at the beautiful texture of the pudding. This is super soft and can be made with just few ingredients. Let's begin by making the caramel sauce first. Take sugar in a pan and allow it to melt to get the golden colored caramel sauce. We do not need to add water and the sugar melts on its own. We have to keep the flame from low to medium. Once the sugar starts to melt, mix it gently so that the heat spreads evenly. Our caramel syrup looks like honey and it's almost ready now. Caramel sauce is ready and I have taken a 6-inch cake tin as well as couple of molds to set in our caramel pudding. Line the base of the mold with the caramel sauce. You have to be too quick once the caramel sauce is ready or else it will harden. Spread it evenly as much as you can. Well, I just placed this cake tin on a gas stove and heat it for 10 to 20 seconds on a very low flame so that the caramel sauce spreads evenly. Now let's prepare the pudding mix. I'm just whisking the egg slightly. Add in sugar as needed. Mix it nicely so that the sugar melts. You can add powdered sugar as well. Add in mango essence. You can add vanilla essence if you don't have it. Now gradually pour in the milk and give it a mix. In goes some freshly grinded mango pulp. Mix it until everything combines well. Now add in few drops of yellow food color. Now add in the breadcrumbs. I have taken few breads and powdered it in a mixer grinder. I'm adding it little by little so that no lumps are formed. Our pudding mix is ready now and it's time to steam. Now transfer the pudding mix onto the caramel sauce. You can make it as one pudding in an 8-inch mold. The pudding mix is ready now and it's time to steam it. I am covering the pudding with the aluminium foil. Prick small holes so that the steam comes out while cooking. have taken it in a steamer and cooked it for 50 minutes. The small ones took 30 minutes to cook, so the cooking time completely depends on the size of the mold you take. Just insert a knife and check if it comes out clean, our pudding is ready. We have to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. I have unmolded it and look how beautifully it has come out. We have to refrigerate it before unmolding, or else there are chances of breaking. Our delicious mango bread caramel pudding is ready to be served now. Do try this and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye.